Zhejiang Deli Connectors Company Limited was founded in 1997 and has nearly 20 years professional production experience. Deli covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters. It currently has around 224 employees and 60 senior technicians and management staff. Except Zhejiang Deli, Deli also has a company in Jiangsu called Zhejiang Deli Connectors Company Limited, which covers an area of 35,000 square meters. Deli manufactures thousands of different models of electrical connectors and terminals, with an annual output of more than 8 billion products. Deli's products are also exported to Europe, USA, Japan, Korea, and Southeast Asia. Only in Zhejiang Deli, there are 40 sets injection molding machines, 90 sets needle pressing machines, 15 sets high-speed punching machines. Deli can also offer you OEM and ODM service to satisfy your special demands. Because Deli is capable of developing and designing its own products and other related products, and has first-class mold manufacturing and processing technology, Deli's technology stands out amongst its peers and is at a world-advanced level. We also have a complete quality control system. Deli has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, UL, REACH, ROHS, SGS, and many product patents. After so many years' careful operation, Deli has received positive reviews from its customers. We sincerely welcome domestic and international customers to visit our company and discuss business.